If you don't guess this right off the bat, you have COVID.
Is this a joke?
It smells like paint. Oh, that's yeasty.
Sniff the air, not the actual.
I'm trying to sniff the air. I know what that is.
Is it something vinegary?
This is Marmite.
Oh my God, once I went on holiday with my friends, we lost our keys
We were ready for this good stuff.
and we were like panicking. And then I had like a bit of a vision.
Oh no.
You know, we need to check. It's the jar of Marmite. And lo and behold, our keys were fully submerged in the jar of Marmite.
Did I try a little bit?
Oh my God. Is it tuna?
I don't want to eat this.
That smells knackered, bro.
Oh, is that fish? Tuna fish. Mackerel. Mackerel! I'm good at this game.
Is it mackerel? Thank God.
Cod, anchovies, sardines. Allow it.
No, I'm not eating that.
Just nothing should smell like that.
What is it?
So I'd usually have it on a nice pasta dish.
Salut. Oh,
Delicious. Elegant, one would say. Thank you very much.
I can't lie, this is the easy one.
Smells like a cardboard box. Is this a joke?
Is it savoury? Is it red onion? Wait a second. Is it eggy?
Chicken?
Salty?
Is it ham? Bacon? Gammon? Bacon?
Yay!
It is bacon, like I knew on my third guess.
Crispy little HP sauce. But let me know in the comments, American bacon or English bacon.
Smell anything.
I'm getting sweet vibes, like there's a little bit of a sweet one in here still.
Red onion.
Like chocolatey, definitely chocolatey.
Chili. Sweet though.
Coffee.
Coffee cake, not coffee cake.
Brownie. Why are you shaking your head, cameraman? What's that about, bro?
Creme brulee.
Oh, tiramisu bloody Sue.
I don't think I would be able to recognise tiramisu based solely on smell.
Do you know what? It's a crossbreed between bougie and casual, isn't it?
Can I go back there and finish this off alone? What's your favourite dessert? Tiramisu? Oh, same.
Run me another one, please. This was so banging.
Ice cream.
Candy floss.
Cheesecake.
Okay, it's giving me citrus.
Jam roly-poly.
Pastry kind of thing. It's giving me sugar.
Is it a Battenberg?
It's giving me lemon drizzle cake. Ta-da!
Give me.
Oh, the lemon drizzy cake, yeah?
Oh God, you can really smell that.
The sugary glaze. Are you seeing that?
You have all the grace of a reversing dump truck without any tyres on.
It's not a cold item of food.
Oh.
It's like a warm smell.
Oh, yep. Oh, yep.
Soup.
Hot noodle.
That's a noodle.
Cook in the bag noodles.
Is it chili con carne? Long noodle? Curry. I don't know. I'm sorry, mate. I don't know my noodles.
I don't know my fruits.
Oh.
What are these noodles then?
Spicy instant ramen noodles.
Has anyone guessed that?
We've not got any noodle sticks.
Good soup. This smells like someone ain't showered in at least 2 weeks.
This is a smelly one.
Cheese?
Cameraman, what are you saying? Is it cheesy?
Parmesan. It smells like socks.
Do I need to know the exact type of cheese? But I'm gonna look uncultured. Is Stilton a blue cheese? Stilton, easy. I knew it straight away.
Is it goat's cheese? Cheddar.
Stilton.
I have to eat that. Bro, why is it blue?
You got any crackers? Nope. I don't think I want to actually have this because I got it right. I think I'm done.
Who thought mold is a good shout to eat?
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe.